PHP and Python about to battle mouse or lion. Y'all PHP been in the game, outdated, still bring the flame. Dynamic typing, yeah, that vibe, debugging's wild ride. Python in the game, sleek and smooth, syntax clean, devs all groove. Dynamic typing not tight, but performance gives fright. Hold up, let me break down. Flexible like rubber, devs crown. Speed not forte, admit. Optimization's legit. Python on mic, bring heat. Syntax elegant, can't beat. Concurrency, stress, confess, struggle to handle that mess. Yeah, here, Python, let's not forget. Power sites, ain't fret lacking. Some areas true, but community strong. Push through, respect to PHP, holding it down. Readability crown, wearing with renown. Documentation, yeah, got flair. Complex tasks like child's play, I swear. PHP and Python in the ring. Strength, weaknesses, that's the thing. But at the end, all together, coding up storm, whatever weather.